You have not seen anything. This comedy will make you laugh. You will laugh so till you go tire. Alright guys, without further ado, I want you guys to subscribe, like this video as you're watching this comedy. Let's quickly dive into today's funny and hilarious comedy. Let's go.
I'm also out to
You're welcome. Go to the kitchen and carry your food. I heard school closed today.
Yes, so mama.
He's not going to easy.
Finish eating so you show me your results.
I swear. It is not going to be easy like this. Almost 50 years later.
Are you not done eating? It's now 50 years you have been eating one plate of food. Huh?
Mama, I did not want to rush.
Call me, guys.
Okay, once you are done, you show me your result. Huh?
Okay, mama.
My daughter, you have not finished your food yet.
Yes, mama.
It's now 8 years.
Oh.
You are eating one plate of rice.
Like I said, there's too much pepper.
Once you finish, you show me your result.
That will not be possible at all. It won't be possible.
It's not cleaning. What do you mean by it's not cleaning? You don't have hand.
Mothers of these days. Mother will not have
I'm cleaning it already.
Meanwhile, it's not cleaning, no. It's not cleaning.
Go clean it. Go clean it. All the go clean it. Clean it. Clean this thing for me. And you must clean it.
God have mercy.
Clean it for me, oh.
Instead of the mother to admit that the thing cannot be clean, she wanted to prove that she can clean it. Mother,
My backbone.
they are wrong.
Are you transparent? Because I can see through you. Please, can I have your number?
What are you doing here? You left me and my friend inside. Said we're coming to get something.
I came to get smoke. That girl, she was just begging me for money. Really, nigga?
Are you sure?
Sure.
Let's go. What's in that?
No one showing his talent on this one, guys.
Girlfriend, I want to enter fire.
He must prove himself to be the goal.
Waiter! Bring lighter!
Boss, take.
Matches. No lighter.
Our lighter don't finish, but no worry now. Now the same thing, you go light.
Hey!
Big Zep. Big Zep, man.
Now why will we they call him
The
God?
madness.
Now why he always turn up? He
Actually did the right thing,
turn up.
honestly. He actually saved that guy
Do you know
from
you
so
can win
many
like 50
problems.
promotes on one bait? Once you register one bait, use my promo code Thaedoboy, you get 300% bonus on your first deposit.
The guy actually saved Dino Showgirl from a lot of problems. Like, I don't know, this one really enter. And the girl would think that my boyfriend is a good guy.
Babe! What stupid guy just pressed my ears?
Where?
Here,
Press your
My own
what?
pay. You press my own pay.
She's in our pocket.
baby, just here.
Wait, baby.
What happened? What?
You cannot just go like that.
Why? Why, babe?
That guy has
No.
rethink.
See, I have a better plan.
Better plan.
He has rethink.
I don't understand.
So now be this. Once you swallow them, lick your lips. Anything when you follow anybody talk, they go believe you. Don't forget, you guys lick that lip so.
This thing.
Lick the lips so calypso. The lips so calypso.
That's the guy over there.
How far is that? So
Yes, that's the guy.
You need to be careful of woman.
Just wait, I'm coming.
Okay, my love.
Mumba, listen, Mumba.
Good afternoon, boss. My gay high quality shirt for sale.
I know they wear Kirikao. I know they wear all these people stuff or Benny. So anything more. Daily paper. I pass for all these hustlers are the wear.
I just designer they send. I mean, when see you like important position. I don't know before I can't give you designer. See now.
What type of play?
What is that?
Now fashion by Ramanjago.
Majango.
Now fashion.
Check out now.
Where is he?
Now Ramanjago give me direct. Me and Raman 5 and 6. Don't play with us.
This thing fits me.
Ah!
This self fashion dope. How much I pay you?
This clothes too fit. I know if you collect money for you, just the rock and they go.
Boss, you get level.
Just the rock and they go.
For his mind, sitting on the rich place. Not knowing that sitting on bag.
Oh my God, I love you. It is really.
What's wrong?
What about the human hair you promised me?
Human hair.
The human hair you promised me. Don't you want me to be happy?
See.
Baby, what is this?
It's human hair.
Oh my God. Baby, you're the best. Oh my God, I'm in love with my hair. I love my boyfriend so much. He's the best.
You weak a lot, guys. I love my man. They play. You have not seen anything. Funny Bros this time doing another ritual, man. How long?
Why go carry 2 firewood put for this guy? Carry 7 firewood put for me. See the campfire where they bomb me here. I'm gonna tell you, my own even pass 7 firewood. Hey, good. Hey, good. Who talks not to firewood they put for me? I'm going to go on here. Go.
That is in the
Hey! Come on! Are you stupid? One more word from you! You got the gang and will strike you to death! Yeah, boom. Jesus. I'm going to go on here. Okay, enter fire. See, this is the one I'm coming fire. I'm going to from you. I don't want to see. One more word from you! Imagine, okay, call on firewood. What is that? Charlie boy, I am
Hey, Funny Bros. The man You see the way he's looking at him? He's looking at him. If I hold you, I will bend your head. I will catch you and blow your head. This actually going to be nice.
Step forward. This man! You do as I said, Cham! It's done. You'll be invisible to anyone you collect. This is our property. Okay. But listen, you can only disappear once. And that is when you're in a big trouble. Now you can.
Funny Bros.
Papa, thank you.
Funny Bros. Funny Bros.
This evil guy.
You'll be invisible to anyone you collect. This is our property.
I know this will not go to end. I just feel that it's not going to end well for Funny Bros. It will not end well for Funny Bros. Funny Bros is something else. He must misuse this charm. He's going to misuse it.
Driver, I go stop for that junction.
Okay, sir.
If you reach there, clear me.
Okay.
Funny Bros, you have stolen somebody.
Hell!
Hey!
What is that?
Shut up there. Papa want thief.
Hell.
For the small business way, me terror don't come retire. Now you come for my unit, they take the obtained people.
Chai.
Download everything with it for your pocket.
Okay, sir.
Come on, download.
Not today I collect you, and today I start to.
Both the phone, everything is done.
Bye-bye.
Driver, now move like this. If you stop this keke now, 2 of them.
Hey! What is going on? You don't see him?
He has escaped.
Hey! Check on that. What is that, Charlie boy?
Funny Bros is bad guy. Funny Bros has escaped. And the careful is right. Let it not have anything to do with guys.
Brother, now you? I saw you. As I realized that God be the ultimate. Now I carry my plot of land, give church. Hoping say my tomorrow go better. see him. And this pastor deliver me. What do you mean? Did you do what you do for me? Don't cast. I don't want strong man. I ain't collect the 3 phones. Why I achieve? As I'm talking with you now, I don't use the only temper way you give me. Sorry, you. Now God the runner.
Is he one of the people you did juju for?
Yes, pastor.
Ushers! Bring him to the altar. Let me deliver him.
Bring him.
Hey!
Help! Pastor Naim. He collected 3 phones.
If I be a man of God!
Please share, guys. Funny Bros has gone. Funny Bros is gone, though. I think he needs help. Huge help from people, honestly. They need to fight for him. They need to bring him back. Tithing and Shank Comics.
PA, why are thou screaming?
Thou have a match by 3 p.m.
I don't beat everybody now. Who remain?
Anthony Joshua.
You didn't whine? Anthony Joshua. Who fixed the match?
Na me.
Now you. Now God go punish you. I send you.
Boy, they go gym now.
Jim will just register. Thou can tell Anthony Joshua that I'm purging. I can fight, but I'm purging.
And I don't carry you to win.
Wait, come out. Anthony Joshua.
But Samson,
Yeah.
where are thou gettest thy strength from?
Gym. I do just gym.
Samson.
Now my hair.
Oh!
If you cut my hair like this, my life don't spoil. Don't tell anyone.
You didn't want?
Yeah, just my hair. Love you. For where? Oh shit, not good. For where?
Run.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
God, you are going to knock back. What is my back?
You cut my dread.
I just thought you look better on low cut.
I said you. Did I tell you I want to look good?
Did I?
This money big go.
Now bet join King Solomon Telegram group and
Samson
you get free
sold
tips
out.
and prediction on how to win bets for free. Just click the link in the bio to join.
Shank Comics is one of the best, I swear.
Stay strong, baby.
My God will judge you. Delilah. God will judge you. Mommy.
Samson!
Yeah.
You can imprison my body.
Oh, what the hell? Can't tell someone for him. What is LF?
I'm about to release my powers. What is this? Wait, where you see this hair? Jesus.
Now I jamu.
You are Jamu. Why you are Jamu con ginger?
I am.
Jesus! Bro, electrocute me. Beat me. Just do me whatever you chose.
Today I'll kill you.
Angry cultist. Man, man. Click the link in my bio and join King Solomon Telegram
my
group
God,
now.
I think
Start
this one
winning
is one
money
of the
on
best
bets. Let's go.
today,
Game
and I know
shit.
you guys are enjoying it. I'm more to you guys. Stick on this comment and keep watching it to the end. You're going to enjoy it. Like it. Let's go.
Good morning, brother Peter. Why are you stopping me from entering the house of God?
Pastor Simon will allow you to enter church again.
You mean my father's house?
Yes, he said the content we shoot as skits. He said they're ungodly.
Ungodly.
Yes.
Explain better, brother Peter.
See, you the carry for class worker and you threaten people. And that's a sin.
That is a sin.
Yes.
Check my Bible, brother Peter. Show me where Bible say no carry cutlass waka. Open and show me.
Show him.
Brother Peter, have you forgotten the book of John 18:10? When Peter cut the right ear of Marcus,
Is that why you're pulling
the
for
one arrest Jesus
glasses?
Christ. Oh, you have forgotten. How can you call yourself a Christian, brother Peter, and you don't have retentive memory? How then you want to fight your spiritual battles? Give me back my Bible, brother Peter. For you are a carnal man. Jesus. You know nothing about the other way. I am not an ordinary man. For my thoughts and decisions are under the Spirit's control.
I suspect he has that cutlass
Leave
inside.
the road. Let me enter my father's house.
The pastor is not
Jokes
the
when
one
Holy
who came
Spirit
here.
give me. You sin as sin. Jesus. Do you know what you've just done, brother Peter? You've just sinned against the Holy Spirit, and that is the highest form of sin. Go and ask for forgiveness.
Wait, guys. I can't believe my eyes just go singing. I can't believe my eyes.
You get high, you argue, right? You
Let's
say the
see
boy
the
yourself.
direction.
Okay, may I ask you this question? For inside Whiskey and Davido, now who get it song fast?
Oh yeah, leader. So now what you want to do with this, Abi? I see my father using youthful age. Argue. When he make them make up, they buy house. They do better thing, nothing to show for it. See where would they stay? Farouk, see, if you continue like this, now you go to roll it, go for your mate.
Because it is I don't hold, it is a
want to
no
see
day.
this. Davido fans
Follow
will
me,
not
they
want
talk
to see
nonsense.
this.
Now better me. Now bad
Let
tia.
Davido catch you.
Why you come house this early?
Now the only people who employ me, it is because I be driver. If they talk anyhow, I go to tell me say, Saido Shupa they sing pass. Eh, Bawasi, you are Baraka. No, you know they want to they follow me, they talk, say, Ibolo one, Ti pass on sell out na folly. I just wear am slap before they wear me sack letter. Shank go. What did they happen for you?
You this man, listen now, what you know they do since how many years with this Pasuma and this Oshupa? Hey, you this man, the two of them, where are children there?
Ah, they are picking their blood, Wasi. They are blood, all of them.
Where your picking day?
Ah, Farouk. Now Farouk be that now, mommy.
Waiting be achievement.
Hey, but Farouk too don't do jam now. I do what say jam feel by no. 50. No be 15 you talk.
Ha, I am you. What is the difference between 15 and 50?
This week connect our pass the video.
Ajay, they talk say now why they sack my papa.
Yeah. How you take no?
Did they guess me? Ajay.
Tell them say, now why mama and papa they stay for Paco house?
Oh no. What the love? Ba Farouk. But now we they stay Paco house. Abi ya Farouk.
What happened to that mother?
You have seen Otiku?
Ronnie, offending me.
Allez Otiku. Show less experience au couteau mini.
I know what you say, Ajay.
You dey follow me argue? Mama Tikuri.
No, let me die. No, let me live.
Oh yeah. Tu vas savez d'ossimi.
Just see me.
See me call, see me knee. We're not going to let you see me. Let's see this one from Romeo, and I think this comedy is actually hilarious.
I love you.
It is very risky to tell your girlfriend you love her in public, especially when you don't trust her. People that are still dating, that are still in a relationship,
Babe, I said I love you.
Hey!
No, she's an introvert.
What a shame, what a big disgrace in the public, and all these guys are present there. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, God.
She's shy, she's an introvert.
If I
Alpha. Yes, add me up for Nyash now. Add me up for Snap.
Madam, I don't bring her.
Oh,
I don't bring her.
Madam,
I don't bring her.
Motell,
I don't deliver her.
A car.
I don't deliver her.
Got a car.
I tell you, I can deliver anything. This is the line.
Customers out.
They shock am. See your motor now. I deliver am me myself. Trust Bem Logistics. I dey grand and full brand. I dey deliver anything.
I've not seen where Keke carry car.
Use this bike to carry this car.
Nobody drive this motor. Now me by myself. So I'm with my bicycle carry car.
All by myself.
Nothing when I no fit carry, madam. Even your problem, this my motor fit deliver am.
But this is not what I even requested for.
Maybe the motor you request for how? You know, madam, you don't know where this motor they come from. I go bring this motor straight from Mozambique. We even branch Gabon buy fuel. Don't see my tire now, see am. He flatten my tire, see am. See, he flatten am. I sabi this one without me. See him, like I tell you, if this motor jam aeroplane, plane crash straight. How sell something give you now. So
Really
I don't deliver am just like you talk. Now yesterday evening you order am, abi?
Yes.
I don't bring am this morning. You say as me are quick.
He requested for a luxury car.
Who please?
Luxury car?
Yes.
You for talk now.
I requested for a Rolls Royce Phantom 2024 model.
2024 model for all these
Rolls Royce
cars.
Phantom 2024 model. Madam, how you want make a carry that kind of thing with my bicycle? If you want luxury car, you go Instagram now. More autos they there. They go deliver them straight from US. You can't be. You can't begin to disturb me. I can't be. You know when they drag this thing from Mozambique? If you want luxury car where they very affordable, just DM more autos for Instagram. Quick, it could just only take you 3 weeks. One, two before you go know. They go down ship and come Nigeria. You go see them easily. What begin to disturb me where they try to manage the delivery things. If you don't want to give me work, also you don't want to give me work. No, madam, what you can't do like this now for this one? I don't deliver, give you so. What you can't do?
Don't worry, you can go. I'll buy some more autos.
I don't understand.
Is this one car?
Even if now 1,000.
This rubbish car.
Madam, come outside.
Man, they never leave me. What am I going to do?
Madam.
Who please?
Madam, come outside for more talk like man to woman.
Sorry, oh.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Hello, Philip. Philip, you go buy motor.
Last option, let's hear.
You get one motor I want to sell, give you no cost.
Oh! She did not even help this guy. Like, let's see.
Where have you been?
I'm so sorry.
I've been trying to reach you since.
I've been really trying.
What have I seen? The doctor is so tempted, but he cannot touch. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You didn't want?
Doctor, I didn't call you here for me. See the person that is sick.
Yeah.
Jesus! Don't tell my wife. My wife should not hear about this. Have you heard me?
Yes,
Chocoba, are you sure you're not going to tell his wife? Let's see how it goes, but I think the end will.
What's what do for you? Hey!
Babe, hold on. Babe, I said this before now. Please, I said I'm sorry.
I'm sorry if I reacted.
It's fine, it's okay. Just get me water, let me eat the food, okay?
No, let me change the food.
No, don't worry, I insist. I'm okay with it.
Baby, you know, I was mad at you. And I kind of poisoned the food.
Madam. What do you just tongue now?
Babe, hold on, babe. Babe, I said I'm sorry now.
This madam no say my okano they chop egg.
Jesus!
Oh, that is why it is good to be contented with anything you have. Be contented or do coco.
What's going on here?
You don't fall again, no.
Don't fall again.
When I get small money, you tell me champagne and see you. When I get small money, you tell me
shut up. The one way you go get, you go use and go play sporty bet. The last money where you get, what you use and do? Come on, get that from here.
Emily, I see you.
You are still saying, Emily, I see you. I think this guy is something else.
Hello, Philip.
Because
how far now? Thank you for the 1,000 where you say you go send today. Thank you. My call account 00.
Your neighbor. My name is Elashaki. I'm your new neighbor from Cameroon.
You interrupt me.
I came my new I play this my new song.
Which new song? Hold on.
Your neighbor from Cameroon now. I see my play this new song. This is my new song. Just say the song.
Which new song?
Really
bad luck is this.
Say you go cry with me when I cry. Say you go dance for me to make me smile. I know the road is rough and wavy.
Actually, the song is actually the song is actually what you listen to, man.
I choose you. Wait, now you be Elishaki. So now you go, now you be the owner of this song.
Elishaki, yes, I choose.
Oh, now you the so now you the interrupt me for audio mark with your song. Now you go still interrupt me when I want to collect the money.
Bros,
Bros, you don't do now. Philip don't cut my call. Oh, yeah, give me my 1,000 naira. Give me. Why you gonna interrupt people up and down like that?
1,000 naira day.
Elisha K, I don't see your face. Everybody in Elisha K be this. So give me my 1,000 naira.
You have to pay him because something.
You later give me. You get voices. I didn't sing. You are a singist.
Okay, bro. By the way, I just did a remix of this song with Rikasani.
Talk true. Rikasani.
Rikasani is mad.
Wow, we will stream it. We will Rikasani.
Never.
That's 2,000 naira.
Rikasani is that guy that sings thunder. I think you hear his voice. This guy has just won 1,000 naira, and we all know Philip wouldn't have given him any 1,000.
Hello, babe.
Hello, babe. I wanted to tell you that I'm going out too.
Oh, no problem now.
And I also want to tell you that my phone is just 1% too. And it was so... It's even dead safe.
Hello, babe.
And the girlfriend is not cheating in anything. She's not cheating, just that she's oh god. This one is just dying at home for nothing. Some guys are actually like it's all that. It's down, another guy will come down.
Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
I've been trying to reach you since. Where have you been?
Babe, I'm still at the party, and my phone will soon die again.
What are you doing here?
Babe, who is that with you? Hello? Babe!
Who are you talking to?
He's my boyfriend though, he's worried and my phone is even low, sir. Please, do you have power bank?
I'm so sorry, I don't have.
For hearing the male's voice or more, it's a no to him, and this guy has trust issues. I think that is why he's not at rest hearing that somebody is talking in the background of
Hello.
the background of the call.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's fine.
You no order for anything?
I already did. The person is coming. Oh, he's here.
Okay. Fine girl. This one is Azu Adina.
It's Azu.
Azu. On a first date. They play.
Sling.
No worry, if I date you, I go broke.
Views on me. It was my idea coming out here, so I'll take care of the views.
Yeah. I for say, waiting for give you mine.
So what do you want?
Okay, get me a bottle of NSC.
Really, nigga?
Life is simple.
Something you cannot afford. You are ordering large things. Well, it's true, sure. Most people are like that. Since you say you are capable of doing fast, I order something expensive.
So this is love. So this is love.
See, now Swift study abroad consulting service be this.
I don't have time for your love.
If you want travel, go Canada. Now them. If you reach Canada, you want study. Now them.
Oh my God! Like the guy actually, that's just where the comedy comes in. Like I don't have time for this your love you're trying to portray. Let's talk about business. Let me do my advice.
Play.
Take. Good job. You hear me? Leave that love.
God have mercy upon us.
I love you.
Your papa.
I don't have time for your love.
Got me.
Swift study Canada sticker.
Small guy, I swear since morning I dey trade, I dey go bus stop. I beg if you give me a lift, I beg.
No wahala na.
Well, God, thank you.
Guy, they know they smoke for my motor.
This one no be anyhow smoke oh. If you F this one, your eyes go see paradise oh. Next time now, you go see how they talk. Next time, oh God.
Let me drive the motor come.
Not everything you see is smoke. What is going on? Like different spirits are talking to you. 21 spirits are talking to you. Go, boom, boom. That is what your card. Go, boom. That is what they're telling you right now.
Agree to a boss. I beg, if you carry me reach bus stop. Yeah, and the reach bus stop. That's small corner now, one branch. Bro, okay, man. Drive safe. Drive safe. Hi. One day, my dream will come to pass. I go buy that car.
You are finished. You are finished.
Ah, bro.
If
I ask this question now, they'll go say, I feel don't smoke it, bro. Yes, but if Wizkid is now a man, can we say he is kidding? Kidominant. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Which one is kidominant in that?
Please, anything after you can help me with, sir.
Brasolo, the corporate beggar that actually came prepared.
Some of you are just evil. Some of you are worse than Hitler.
Take. Because you like money, you will collect it. I know. He actually came prepared for anybody. Anybody. I'm a beggar and you cannot take my stuff.
That's what they do for you. Hey!
Short of words. Hey, brother, so you can do this.
If one native doctor cook, another native doctor could come out for fire.
God have mercy upon us.
Nyash. Stop commonizing nyash.
Okay, what's up now?
Please, can you help me with your phone? Let me call Apple to help me track my phone, please.
Call Apple?
Yes.
Take.
Your phone.
Hey!
God forbid.
My phone.
Hey! It's a plan work, honestly. And next time, do not trust anybody.
Beautiful. Hola.
You guys shout only when you are trusting. Yes, guys. You need to steal the phone. This one now, I've seen somebody. I think his girlfriend is cheating inside. I'm not a man. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what he's going to do. If he's going to die or going to fight the guy.
Don't keep it Khalifa. Calm down.
How's they play?
That's what they do for you.
Touch more to the guy is there. Just as in Timberland.
Bro, no.
That is how he's waiting.
I don't want peace.
Like Timberland like this. Timberland like wait.
Power of God shall destroy you wherever you are.
Korea.
Someone that will use the level on him.
My faithful member, how you doing now?
Because of Timberland.
I bet we just finished program on Hunger Day. Give me one basket of Gary fast. We know. Tinubu not go kill us. We know say na 3-5. I don't see anything. Fast. Yeah. The Lord bless you.
Amen.
I say you will go far.
Amen.
This your business will flourish.
Amen.
Anybody will sit down on top of your business. I say I close them for
Amen.
you. Oh yeah, man, be later now.
Which one be 9 be later? Pastor, give me my Gary.
Okay, no verse. I never explain give you. You know, say last Sunday you not pay tithe. You see the whole the church tithe. So now make I say make you just give me Gary. Make that tithe for just come out.
Which tithe they come out, Pastor? Now you don't listen to me, they feed my family.
So, I'm a very radical person with a radical grace. I don't make grace in Christ. Now church give you the money when you first start this business. Since when church just bless you now? You know they want to near the church again. Tithe, you know they agree the pay.
What
I don't even say
concern
okay.
for
More
God,
do
man?
exchange. You they all tithe.
Oh,
And they all
Pastor,
Gary. It's called foreign exchange. Gary versus tithe.
I bet Pastor, not.
Behave yourself, oh.
I not leave doctor. I bet can't give me my money. Nah, not see. I don't want to quarrel this morning.
Okay,
Pastor,
Is there anything like trade by barter?
respect yourself. Now you my
After
first
God
customer.
bless you.
Now you my first customer. Give me money.
You say you and God are mate. Oh yeah, wait, hold on first. Just hold on. 1 minute.
Pastor.
Thank you for watching. Comment and share.
Wait, only Gary.
Madam, I give me condom postnatal and manpower. On credit.
We don't do credit here. Come on from this shop. Oh. All the condos say daily shop, they don't count them.
Yes.
Oh my God, I love that comedy.
Adam, who is this man?
But this is the man that wants to marry me.
He wants to marry you.
Yes.
Okay. Go inside. Let's talk private.
This one you're going inside. I hope there's not going to be a problem.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a comedian, sir.
You are a comedian.
Yes, sir.
Does this family look like a joke to you?
No, sir.
Okay. I will give you $1,000 to leave my daughter.
No, sir.
I am not going to pray.
Sir, I'm not here for the money. I love your daughter from the bottom of my heart.
I will give you $2,000 to leave my daughter.
No.
Your daughter, in fact, love is an understatement. Sir, I love your daughter from the bottom of my heart.
$5,000 to leave my daughter.
Sir, I cannot leave your daughter for anything.
I cannot trade that for
$10,000 to leave my daughter.
Jesus. Sir, your daughter is my word.
$50,000 to leave my daughter. Cash.
Sir?
$50,000 to leave my daughter. Cash.
That's $50,000.
$50,000 to leave my daughter.
Nah, lie. This is your daughter?
Yes.
Take it, sir. Take it, sir.
Ah! Where are you going?
Look at the way
you're taking the money.
You gave it to me, sir.
You want to leave my daughter because of $50,000?
You give me.
Ada! Ada!
Come.
She, I told you, this man does not love you. He chose $50,000 over you.
Okay, wait till concern $50,000 and your daughter now.
See it? You don't know we are pranking you.
You say?
We are pranking you.
I get which kind of dirty talk be that one? They use $50,000 to prank person. Since when they watch Untouchable, they do prank. You don't see and use past $10,000 to prank person. Okay, if not joke me, na stop am.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. Can I have my money back?
Wait it
up. Give
me the money back.
Money we don't get budget.
Give me back the money.
Touch me. If you first thing tomorrow morning you see me. My video call you from UK.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
I think so Untouchable they collect the money if he prank finish.
Just dey play.
I swear, they just play.
Babe, come inside now.
Go inside for what? You want to knock me
Why
down?
you no enter inside now?
Anything we want to, maybe just talk outside here. No one enter inside.
Just even must talk outside here now. You come my side, come see me now. You go enter inside now.
But we can say whatever we want to say outside here now. Do I need to go inside?
Yeah, you need to come inside. I might entertain you when you don't see where you come from far. I'm not go inside.
I don't want to enter inside. We'll just talk and here now. Wait till they talk. We'll talk and here now.
We don't talk for outside now. You come house now. You go enter inside house now.
I don't feel enter inside. Sorry, this place.
Now you not go feel enter inside now. You go enter inside now. You
be like gentle.
Come on, go inside. No, everything is
Anything you want to tell me, ma, they go out. I said I don't want to enter inside. We'll talk
but by the time you try to pull stuff on, you will come
down. Say you come here, so they tell me say you don't feel enter inside. Say you want to talk here now. Why they behave like that?
It's going to that direction now.
We'll talk and here.
Inside cool, inside. I want to see everything go inside. I won't get to go inside. I won't go inside now.
I like the fresh air. Don't worry.
No worry. You see, Cooper fresh air. I won't go
I
inside.
said I like the fresh air now. I don't want to go inside.
You don't want to go inside?
No.
I'll be crazy tomorrow, Bukrele.
That's the best. I collect my property. You are joking.
Madam, fuel don't finish. I'm the last fuel.
God, and I need the fuel for something urgent. Please, how many liters did you buy?
5 liter buy.
Please sell two for me now.
I don't sell for. I'm sorry, man.
Why?
On one condition.
What's the condition?
If I give you 2 liters of fuel, I will knock you.
Are you okay? You will not because of 2 liters of fuel. You must very stupid. Get out, John. Get out of my sight.
You die for it.
Huh? Am I that cheap?
The room is 203.
Jesus!
Look at someone that said about that. You are not cheap. You are cheapest. You are cheapest. Your name is Tico Calico.
I'm unfit. What did she say she get? Because of breast. Normal me no cuckoo like breast before. To hell her and without her breast. I don't give a fucking.
After you say you don't like that.
I'm going to number
28. This way. I know.
Jesus!
Let's go. Breast.
I hear it back
Oh, the guy saw something. It's every
That's what I don't do. Anybody can bring their own come, everybody joke money together. I mean, they pay the rent. How much be the money like that? He never give you. What did you talk? But you talk about that. Push up is still also now. Can't talk with that one.
Why they pay first now? If you pay first.
But stop that kind of small picky talk. Push up is still also. You know the carry get the con the house.
You go find your rent come. You the yes so. Nobody be full go. You go find your rent come. No be to pay rent. You dey talk like say you no be man. No be the talk that they say you be man. No be the talk that they say you be man. You dey smart well. Don't worry. Big man, if this guy no go fit see rent, break off
easy with this guy.
Me I go rent another place.
Yes so. I go pay the money now.
But the guy has actually said it.
You don't want 4 wiser for the ass. You dey feel say you just see food. They go punish you.
Drink. Let me finish the drink for the table.
You want to gather your money.
People
are gather your money. Then people will use their money to pay rent. You know what pay rent?
I go still pay now. I still the hustle now.
Pay this rent. Now you supposed to pay this rent.
If you start to go pay the rent,
oh boy, big man. If you no go bring come, I go rent house from that place. And they carry get the come the house. You dey carry get the come the house. Equal right. No be the share that they say na equal right to get for the house. And they tell her that they say no bro code. You don't know bro code. But now you want to use the bro code. And the bro code you want to use so now. And the bro code you want to use so now. Make you dey talk.
If you're watching my comment, you understand why this guy.
If you don't get now, make you go rent house for that place.
That guy last week something like
you dey crazy. You don't gree say you over for the house before.
Now let's get paying back.
You don't get money, make you come up for the house.
When let's get came with the girl, you didn't want to go. You said you must see them. Let them knocking your friends. What's
have fun now, correct guy. I don't dey wait for you see now. I be now.
Yeah, that nigga so wet with superior.
OG today greet collect do the count.
Yeah, superior dey the background.
You were good now. I be now.
I do. Why you dey observe you? What did for you now?
I'm on a graduation now. This my guy so now where I be. So he don't graduate. One can go become your own.
Freedom. You do freedom.
OG, you know all those things. We get old boy, correct guy.
Yes, now.
Everywhere good now.
What was the black?
Collect now, collect.
Shadi.
Channel did the background though.
No, all personalized. I mean, I do alright.
OG, you too fresh, oh, you be correct guy. See, may I give 2 BF to OG mate a day. What's up, BF? Come now. Come with your friend. Man, I deal with OG now. Man, see OG they shy you. See OG. See OG. See
DH.
What you be down one now?
You be hot.
OG, correct guy. But I the beat so.
Making the beat.
And your enjoyment be that now you go pay now.
That
guy, you go pay that guy. That guy na 2 million to achieve all those BF with 2 million now. This guy made it with 8, so now every 3 million I achieve all.
How much this one?
This one, OG, you I believe you be correct guy. You. I'll give you 1.5 for the 2 last.
1.5?
Yes, now.
Me no be correct guy. Agree to that.
What you doing now?
No, I got a church program.
Which one be church?
I'm asking my come go on it.
Alpha Johnson.
I think this guy actually has eventually watched the work and decided to act. Demonstrate that kind of victory. He didn't lie. Oh. This is exactly how it's been acted. It's the word. That book is amazing. Like astonishing. The plate falling. Never reground. How many hours? Like the guy even stop by, try to separate fight, even in fact, fight, and still the plate is still falling. Not it has not gotten to the floor. He even landed himself to a very big trouble.
Run, no.
He ran. The plate is still coming down. Not. I swear I love his agbada.
Seriously me, le sọ pé kò báyìí lọ ṣe mọ́tò. Máa ṣe mọ́tò yín nísìn. Ìjọ má bínú ṣe mechanic ni. Ògbóǹtarìgì mechanic ni mi sà. Ẹ fọkàn balẹ̀, máa ṣe mọ́tò yín nísìn. Okay. Ah, mo sọ. Máa kí ti pọ̀jù ní họ́ yìí. Oya start here.
Oh, it worked. How did he get that experience from? He even went to the barber shop to barb, to the barber shop to barb. The plate is still coming.
Owó mi dà kẹ́.
Oh my God. Even Jim, like, taking his time to gym. Have you seen that kind of race before? Have you even went to make some cash? Went to hustle, make some cash, receive the wages for what they work for. And the plate is still coming, not even, the plate is still coming. That's not even got it to the floor. Even went to eat. Finally, that's how we got into the place.
Orí yìí ló burú, àrà máa pa yín ni.
Mo ti bọ̀.
Wasiu is about to save the food from falling, but he saw something. Nyash. What Nyash will do to some people, after all the stress, after everything, the Indomie fell. No. After everything, the Indomie eventually fell on the floor. This is actually insane. Honestly, this is insane. Thank you guys for watching this comedy, and I think you enjoyed this one. It's actually a very nice and hilarious comedy for you guys. I took my time and searched for this comedy video, and also, took my time to arrange it for you guys so that every scene will be hilarious and you enjoy every scene. All right, guys, there is something I want you guys to see. Honestly, I really want you guys to see something, and this video you're about to watch, I want you guys to come and comment in the comment box. That it actually calls for comment. You must actually comment, because of what I'm about to show you. Because if you don't comment, the vibes will not keep flowing. So it's about a man of God I saw somewhere, and I decided to bring it down for you guys to see. Is it true that one can actually receive credit alert, like monetary alert, into his bank account with the prayer of a man of God or with the prayer of a pastor? Is it true? Does it really happen? Like, is it happening like somewhere? Have you known of that? Have you seen that before? Because the reason why I brought this video here for you guys to see is because I have never seen anything like this. I have never, all my entire life till this time, I have never seen anyone like genuinely receiving monetary credit alert into his bank account. I have never seen it before. The one I'm seeing, I really do not believe it, but I don't really know about you, how you're going to see this. As for me, I don't think I believe this. I want you guys to give your comments concerning this. Like this is a video of the man of God, praying for his member, one of his member, like praying for him to receive a credit alert in his bank into his bank account, and it's actually happened. The guy actually received alert, and everyone was seeing in this video actually rejoicing. And I would like you guys, let's see some clips of the video so you know what to do. So you give us your perception concerning this.
Receive it. Yes, Lord. Hey! Hey!
There are a lot of favorite moments in this comedy video, and I think you guys love this comedy. So what is your favorite moment? Like, I really love Funny Bros part. I think Funny Bros has actually acted something like this, something similar to this comedy. I think this is the second time he's using this pattern whereby you see him inside a pot, cooking and also, performing ritual. I think I've seen this somewhere, but at first when I saw it, I thought maybe it was the previous one he decided to post for those that actually missed it. But I think this time around, I saw Gentle Jack in this comedy. And from there, I realized that this is a different comedy entirely. And this comedy is actually a bomb. It's actually funny. And at the end of the day, Funny Bros misuse the charm given to him by the native doctor. What would you do if you got something like that? As for me, I think I would just be using it carefully. I don't think I'll be even using it to do bad thing, because the more you use it to do bad thing, the more such charm get lesser power. The more the powers or the potency get depreciated. Honestly, I think so. So and again, the other favorite moment I think I have in this comedy is Shank Comics. Shank Comics is a very nice person here. There is none of his comedy you will watch and don't laugh. I think since the day I started watching Shank Comics, or since the day Shank Comics, came into limelight, I have not watched his comedy and did not laugh. I have not. You cannot watch his comedy and resist not laughing. You can't. Oh. The guy is actually talented, and you as a sound, so you went to tell Delilah your secret, and at the end of the day, now you are facing trouble. But Kante actually helped him. Kante did his best to make sure he helped him. And I think Kante played the role of his PA in that comedy. And he gave him that air now, but the air is not the real one. But he said he got it from his armpit air, all those. That is actually a bomb. I love that comedy. And Thaedoboy honestly did well. These guys actually did massively well in this comedy compilation. I think it's actually hilarious. It's hilarious. Dino Shaw God has been trending on all, like, it has been trending with all comedians previously. Like recently, I think I've been seeing him acting with different comedians, and I think he's in Lagos right now. And if you love Dino Shaw God, let me see your comment in the comment box. This guy is doing his best, working hard to make sure he's being known by everyone in Nigeria. Like, and he's not even doing his best though. The guy is good. The guy is good. Honestly, I love his comedy. The other guy, Brown, that he is acting with, if you know the guy, also he loves opening his eyes whenever he's acting. That guy is actually doing great thing. Like, I love his comedy also, but I think Dino Shaw God, like, will soon come to limelight if he keep up with his good work. So, what is the next comedy? Kekere, I almost forgot Kekere. Kekere is another crazy guy out there. It's another crazy guy out there, and I think thumbs up to Kekere for making everyone laugh, with his Ajay and all those kind of talks. I really love his comedy. It's actually a good one. He actually acted well in this comedy compilation, and I think it was hilarious after watching it. So, I think you guys enjoy every bit of this comedy. So, leave your comments concerning your favorite moment, and also leave your comments what you think about that video I just showed. I mean, this one where the pastor was seen praying for his member's phone to receive alert. I want you guys to comment what you think. Is this staged, or it's not? Is this staged or it's not? Like, some people are saying this miracle is real. It does it happens, that we should not underrate the power of God. We should not underrate the power of God. I know no one should underrate the power of God. But as for me, I cannot, because of something else, say that I have done something. Like me now, I'm saying my truth. I have not seen this kind of thing. I've never seen this kind of thing. Ever since I started going to this extent, I've not seen this kind of thing happening. So I've been hearing it, but I have never believed it. But seeing this now on social media, I think everyone needs to talk about it. I need to call people's attention to talk about it in the comment box. So what do you think about this video? So let me see your comment popping. I think it's the end of today comedy. Tomorrow we're going to see those guys with another banger. Stay tuned as we keep watching Crity React. Stay tuned, subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon for your giveaway. And we'll soon start our giveaway like crazy, like never before. Keep watching and have a wonderful time. Peace out.